Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to block websites requesting access to your microphone in your Mozilla Firefox web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the menu icon in the top right corner of the browser window. Just go ahead and left click on that. And then you want to go down and select Settings. On the left side, you want to select Privacy and Security. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down underneath Permissions and locate the microphone setting. So go ahead and select the Settings button that corresponds to the microphone entry in here. Now, you want to check mark where it says Block New Requests asking to access your microphone. And if there's any websites currently listed in here that have microphone permission that you do not want to have microphone permission access, you want to select them and then select the Remove Website button down here. Or you can also just select the Remove All Websites as well if you have multiple websites in here and you just want to completely disable microphone permissions in your Firefox browser. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.